tools that you'll need for the duck box. Starting off, sander, tape measure, circular saw or table saw or jigsaw, a jigsaw for the face, some drill bits. You don't actually need a hammer. Don't need a hammer. A pencil, drill, and some batteries. And of course, a 1x10 by 12. So a 1x10 that's 12 foot long. I've already gone ahead and cut it up to the specs that we need. I'll drop a template of what that looks like. So the long piece, that's 31 inches. This will be the back side. This is what you'll attach the walls to, and also the post. What I like to do is dry fit everything and then make sure it all fits. The issue that I run into a lot is that these boards want to bow. Just kind of keep an eye on that. I might flip this one around, but I don't know. It's not much you can do. Now, what I'm gonna do is pre-drill these holes so it doesn't split the wood. You wanna get a drill bit that's not bigger than your screw. Once you have a wall on, you wanna then do the floor. But first you wanna drill 5 holes in each corner and then 5 holes total, 1 in each corner and then 1 in the middle. This will be so that water can drain. Once you have your 5 holes drilled, then you can attach it to the back and the side. So again, you want to pre-drill 2 holes right here. So now that we've done the side and bottom, we've put our drainage holes in, we're going to move to the front. So you get your template, measure about, I think it's about 3.5, 4 inches. You can do 3 1/4 I've seen, but I don't like to make mine so high. So I do about 3 3/4 from the top of your hole to the top of the board. Then you take your drill and drill a couple holes just to get the jigsaw going. So once you have the eye cut out for the face, you're going to want to make some curve cuts with a circular saw. So just adjust it to where only maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch is being actually cut. And you can adjust it based on what saw you have. Or you can also do it with the table saw. You just want to take a little bite out of it so the ducklings have something to hold on to, like a little ladder. Then you're going to make about 10 to 12 passes. Now we'll put the face on the side and the floor because this side will swing open. Okay, so I've roughed it out. This is the roof. This is the door. What I like to do is put the roof on first because you want to be able to open and close this without the roof getting in the way. I'm a bit worried about that, but I'm gonna go ahead and send a screw through it and see what happens. And then we'll readjust if something messes up. Seems like some people like to use a nail. I like to use a screw. That way you can just take a drill or a screwdriver real quick when you go out to check your boxes and it doesn't fall out or anything. But yep, that's it. And like I said, you just tighten that up to keep this door closed. keep the predators out. And so yeah, you can mount it on this backside to a post or a T-post, that type of thing. Make sure you're buying stuff that's not super warped. This was actually out of the cull section. You can kind of see I try to get that paint off. And yeah, just look for bows, some splits. I didn't notice that when I bought it, but I think it's gonna hold up fine. So, but thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think.